Nandito tayo sa may Remedios, no? Circle na kung saan summer, no? Manila Summer Pride 2026. Ang daming tao po.
Saan ba siya banda? Hindi namin makita.
Sa unahan!
Mga ano tayo Mala Michael Jackson Moonwalk.
District 6! Pwede bang manahimik ka na? Mayor Isko Moreno Plamagoso! Kasama niya ang 2024 Queen of Bedsheet ng Maynila winner, Maria Angela Chahano! And Miss International Queen Philippines 2025! at Patricia Lorenzo. Naku, dito pala ang mga dolls natin. Ayan na, dito na si Yorme. Para makita ko din si Gian. Ayun, hello, happy Pride. Ayan.
The same thing that we saw, hindi ko nakita yung personally, but I saw it in San Francisco, I saw it in so if they can do that in the capital of those country or major cities in the world, the city can showcase also the talent, skills, and artistic value of our LGBT like it or not, whether others would agree or not. And they're human beings, everyone's human being. Sabi ko kasi, walang mahirap, walang minataas, walang mahirap. Lahat kailangan pagdating nila sa Maynila, maramdaman nila na I'm at home, I'm at peace, I'm always welcome. And especially, the area is very symbolic. This area, the Ermita Malate area. We wanted to revive, revert that kind of mood of inclusiveness here in Malate in the early times ng mga bata pa kami. So ito yung next generation, the students and parents, and now birds again here in Manila. In fact, we see that building that where library used to be located. Magbago man ang mga itsura sa Malate, but the mood is still there, history is there, and the people, we value each and every one of them.
May mga personal experience mo ba kayo, George?